Hey all, welcome to our continued series of discussion on entrepreneurship. I, Professor Praveen Kumar, had previously introduced various concepts of entrepreneurship like entrepreneurship development program, necessity of conducting an ADP, and about entrepreneurial leaders like Professor C.K. Prahalad. And in my previous session, I had told you that I'll be introducing you to the most important concept of entrepreneurship, that is institutional support to entrepreneurs in India. And I had given a clue, my dear friends, there are three dimensional institutional support for every entrepreneur in India. To name few, the Union Government of India, state government, and non-governmental agencies. In this series of session, today I am going to emphasize on the union government institutions which will support entrepreneurship. To name first, it is Small Scale Industries Board, which was established way back in 1954 in India for effective coordination and institutional linkages for the benefits of small scale industries. It helps entrepreneurs to develop their ideas, and this Small Scale Industries Board comes under the Union Ministry of Small Scale Industries, which comprises of a union minister and a minister for state and various other officials, including the secretaries of the department. This institution provides the financial support to every entrepreneur. Next is NABARD, which was established again by the Union government for the agricultural development in India. NABARD is nothing but National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, which helps in attracting rural youth towards entrepreneurship. It emphasizes on building the rural mass as entrepreneurs through district rural industries project, to REDP, to rural entrepreneurship development programs. So NABARD emphasizes on building the rural youth as entrepreneurs. Next, I am going to talk about the most important organization, that is SIDO, Small Industries Development Organization, which is again established in the year 1954 by SSS, that is Small Scale Industries Sector, which helps in formulation and promotion of small scale industries, provide coordination of policies with the state government, and to collect and disseminate information to entrepreneurs who are aspiring to start small scale industries. My dear friends, most of the industries have been started in the year 1950s, which supported the backbone of India, the agriculture and industrial sector. The next institute I'm going to talk about is the most prominent one, right? Any guess which is the next one? Okay, I'm going to tell which is the next one, right? So it is an organization which helps in provision of testing, collecting, and offer consultancy services. That is nothing but the institute which supports the small scale entrepreneurs, right? Which is KVIC, Khadi Village Industries Corporation, which will provide an opportunity for the rural mass, rural youth. Youth doesn't mean that those who are old, right? I didn't mean that. Those who are aspiring to become entrepreneurs, those who are willing to make up their career as a businessman, who can empower the nation with job creation. I hope I could give relevant information regarding few of the institutions of the union government which supports and promotes entrepreneurship. I shall continue talking about the remaining state government and non-governmental supporting agencies for entrepreneurship in my next series. With this, as always, yours, Professor Praveen. Thank you.